Hello friends, let's talk about philosophical essays asked by UPSC Civil Service Examinations. You must have noticed that UPSC is trying to increase the heat of the essay paper by including more and more philosophical topics, and that heat reached to the maximum in the year 2021 when all the 8 topics were philosophical in nature and the students melted. Now there are certain problems faced by students when they are handling the essay paper, especially philosophical topics. The first major problem is essay paper does not have a defined syllabus. So hence the confusion starts with lack of syllabus. Now when we compare this with other GS papers, there is a proper defined syllabus. So students know what to read, what not to read. With no specific syllabus, so hence it's difficult to find a specific content also. So the content part is missing. Now when there's no syllabus, no specific content, it really becomes difficult for the student to decode the meaning of the topic. That's mostly philosophical topics. So hence, when all these 3 things are countered by the student, that is the absence of syllabus, lack of specific content and difficulty in decoding the topic, the philosophical topics become very powerful fear factor. So let us remove all those fear factor and convert the topics into friendly factor. So I am your expert and guide. My name is Ritesh Kumar Singh, an ex-government officer, specialist in what essay writing and GS answer writing, and senior educator for civil service examination. So let us see how to convert your biggest fear factor into a friendly factor. You have to move towards adding certain requirements. So the first requirement, yes, so let's see the first requirement. So as I told you, what is missing? Syllabus is missing. So we have to first of all design a syllabus. So get a syllabus first. So first requirement is a proper syllabus. So you have to design that syllabus. So get a defined syllabus. Now that requires an expertise of what scrutinizing the last 10 years of essay papers and designing a proper syllabus so that you find the entire connect. Now when the syllabus is ready, you require a content to suit the syllabus. So next stage is content development. So next stage is content development. So now you have to get a comprehensive and sound content for writing any, yes, I say any philosophical essay. So when you have got a proper syllabus in your mind, when you got a proper content in your kitty, so it becomes really easy to decode the meaning of the topic. So now you are going to easily decode the meaning of the topic. So hence you will be learning the art to interpret and decode the meaning of the topic. It becomes really easy, yes. When the syllabus is there, when the content is there, then you can decode any philosophical topic. Let's see certain examples. This is an essay topic of what year 2020. So let's see the topic first. Life is a long journey. Life is a long journey between human being and being humane. So the topic is talking about a journey. Yes, journey means transition or can be equated with evolution. And which are 2 stages we are talking about. The first stage. So we are all born as human beings. But the stage which is required to be achieved is more humanistic values. Yes. More humanistic values. So this is a phase of transition, this is a phase of journey, this is a phase of evolution. So for example, when I talk about human beings, Homo sapiens are just one of the species out of millions of species. So we are just born as Homo sapiens, known as human beings. But it requires a huge upliftment, evolution to convert any human being into a person reflecting best of the values. It requires a journey of transition, journey of intervention. So this topic is talking about how to convert a society which is comprising of human beings into a society which is reflecting more humanistic values. So again, journey of society from just comprising of human beings into a society reflecting democratic, humanistic values. Yes. So that means creating what? More smart people. So it requires various interventions, and the interventions are numerous. For example, one of the interventions can be values based education in schools and colleges. But this is only going to target the students in education institutions. What about the rest of the people who are outside the education institutions? There should also be a method to create more smart people even if they are outside the education institutions. So it is talking about a journey of evolution. So now if you got a content to write on this, if you got the proper formulas and methods, so how to create a transition in the society on the basis of values, you can easily write this philosophical topic. Similarly, let's see another topic of 2021. Philosophy of wantlessness is utopian, while materialism is a chimera. So again, let's decode the keywords. So wantlessness means no desires. So having no desires is actually very impractical. We are all human beings, yes, we are all human beings. We have got certain basic desires, certain advanced desires. So that means curtailing all the desires is mostly impractical, yes. So no desires, that is impractical, that is too utopian to ask. Maybe it can be practical for monks. Now on the other side, while materialism is a chimera, yes, materialism means extreme desires. So desire for more and more, bigger and bigger, better and better, and that desire becomes what? Greed. And greed is endless. So it leads to what? Unsustainability. So now, so that means we have to find a balance. Because both of these are extremes, yes. So we cannot be giving up on all our desires, but we cannot be pursuing our desire to the maximum for more and more, because that leads to unsustainable growth and finally decline of the society and the nature and the environment. So that means how to create a balance. So here this topic is talking about, yes, sustainable development. Talking about sustainable development. So your entire knowledge of what? Environment conservation, greener economy, sustainable development, yes, is required to be written in this topic, yes. How to create sustainability in terms of our what? Running of the society, yes. Again, see, whenever we talk about UPSC topics, yes, we have to answer them with connect with the society. So that's why the next requirement is topics connected with society, yes. So we have just seen what two philosophical topics. See, philosophical topics are usually quotes given by various thinkers. Now how these quotes emerge, how this thinking emerge? When they observe the society. Now when they observe the society, that means these can be applied in the society. So here you have to convert these philosophical topics which looks what abstract thoughts into pure application in the society. Otherwise abstract topic cannot be written on the basis of abstract thoughts by you, because you will be short on content. So you have to convert the topic into full application in the society. Now, so what you are learning is, first you are able to what? Connect a syllabus. You are going to what? Accumulate the content, design the content. Now when the content and the syllabus is ready, you are able to decode the meaning of the topic, and then you will be able to what? Properly applied it. UPSC gives marks on applied writing. Now after this, the next thing that you are requiring is, so topics connect with society. So learn to connect it with real life application. Now, so connection is ready. Now put that on a piece of paper for what? Better explanation, so that you are influencing the examiner to give marks. Yes. So now you have to what? Develop the art of presentation. So this requires mastering the art of structuring. You have to use impressive formulas to come to a solution in terms of your writing, and hence influence the examiner. So examiner should be influenced. So that means when your mind is settled with the syllabus, you have got enough content, you are decoding, you are applying in the society, you are also writing it in a very attractive manner, so that examiner is influenced to give marks. So what will be the outcome? The outcome will be scoring more than 150 plus marks in the essay paper. And you all know the importance of what very good marks in the essay paper. 150 plus marks means will be shooting or elevating your what rank in the final selection. Now how to achieve all of these? Yes, if you want a syllabus, if you want a proper content, yes, targeted content, if you want a proper decoding, if you want proper application, if you want what mastering the art of writing, impressive writing, if you want all of these, so hence what comes into picture? Content enrichment program. Content enrichment program comes into picture. So what this program comprises of? This program comprises of comprehensive content enrichment classes. Comprehensive content enrichment classes, and the number of classes are 18, in all 18 classes. So which will be enriching your entire content. Each class is of 2 hours duration. And these classes, the takeaway will be, you will be getting a syllabus, proper connected syllabus, a very rich content, enormous ideas, real life application, and confidence to answer any topic. Confidence to answer any topic. Now these classes will be followed by full length test FLTs, and there are 4 full length FLTs with proper discussions, which includes face to face, one to one discussions also. Now when we talk about this rich content can also be utilized in upgrading your GS answers. For example, if I give you one example is when we talk about writing philosophical topics, we will be generating first of all the content for the philosophical topics. Philosophical topics are mostly ethical topics, yes. So all those content can easily be applied in GS paper 4. So that means the content here will be upgrading the richness of GS papers also. So this CEP program is available in hybrid mode, that is both offline and online. So if the students are there in Delhi, they can definitely come and join offline classes. Anywhere in the country, online classes. Now for more information about the schedule of the program, so you can log into the website shieldias.in. Now for inquiry, you can contact these numbers, the mobile and the landline number. And the program commences on what? 4th of August, yes. So this is a 3 weeks program. This is a 3 weeks program. So entire thing will be in your hand by the 26th or 27th of August. So if you are a student writing the mains examination, so this is a program you should not be missing at all, because this will providing the content that you have never seen till date, and it's going to upgrade your marks in the essay paper, shooting your rank in the final list. If you are a student who is trying to work hard just to upgrade your writing skills with respect to essays, and you are a fresher, you have completed your coaching, you are still struggling with your writing skills, join the program, because you may be targeting the next year programs. So now the students writing this year program and the student targeting next year program, you can join me ASAP, as soon as possible, and you will be getting very rich content, very rich command, full confidence, and you can definitely influence the examiner on the basis of your writing. So on this note, thank you.